In The Hague, there is a giant painting that is from a bygone era of truly immersive art. And there's still a few of these amazing panoramic paintings around in the world. And once again, there is one in The Hague in the Netherlands. There's also a few in the United States, but in this video, we're going to take a look at the Mesdag panorama in The Hague that is right in the center of the city. So what are panoramic paintings? They're 19th century, so 1800s, giant paintings in 360 used with props when you stand in the center that makes it look like you're really there. So it was the closest that they had to movies or the like back in those days. So the Mesdag panorama is a sea scene just outside of The Hague, and it was made in 1881 by the painter Hendrik Mesdag. So 1881, and it's 120 meters around, 14 meters high. So very, very large um, painting. So when you look at the painting, it does feel like you're really on the beach because it's tall, goes up to the ceiling and below, and you have the props of real sand leading up to the painting that makes you feel like you're on a hill looking down into the ocean, and you see this scene of fishing boats and lots of different things going on. And behind you, you can see The Hague and also a shoreside city. And you can also see some of the sea debris that you might, expect to be there. And then they also have the sounds of the ocean while you're looking at the painting. And this is something I really like about panoramics. We've seen a few in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, Atlanta, Georgia. Also, there's a great panoramic in Lucerne, Switzerland. But you look at the details, like the cannon, soldiers, and so many other details of people living their lives that you could spend a long time just enjoying the art there. So if you're in The Hague, absolutely head to the Mesdag Panorama and go and visit them if you can find one in your general area. It's a bygone era that's a beautiful form of art. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel grow, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your Dutch adventure.